Hello everyone, welcome back to this PDF series on how to design a gym membership website or fitness club website with Elementor and WordPress. Okay, in our previous episode we have designed this schedule or classes section. Now let's design this feedback or contact form section. Okay, let's insert a two column section. Full white, column gap, no gap. Let's insert an image to the left. Let's insert an image. And on the right side column, let's insert background color. Then padding about 100. Okay. Then here, what we need to do. Okay. We need to copy these two items. Okay. Level assign. Contact form. Then heading. Copy it and come back to this column. Paste it here. Change the color to white. Feel free to contact us. Left align. Okay, then form. Then let's insert the contact us form. Insert the form here. We don't like the level. Name, phone, subject and email. First name, okay. Name 50%. And required, yes. A new item. This should be telephone, telephone, phone, phone, 50%. Bring this to the left second, please. Okay. And third is email. Okay. Email, let's set this to 50%. Then let's add another item after email. This will be the select subject of this feedback form or contact message. For example, fitness, yoga, weight loss, etc. Okay, then okay, last of all, the message. Yeah, let's set this subject to 50%. Required email, required phone, required. Okay, then here action after submit, collect submission, email, that's all. And if you want other actions connect to MailChimp or other thing, you can add it here. Okay, button, send, that's fine. Collect submissions, okay. Style, I think there is not much to change here. Okay, what we can do, if you want to change something here, button, level line. Okay, let's increase the size to medium or large. Then form fill here, change the name of this form to contact form. Okay, let's see how it looks. How it looks on mobile. Okay, we need to reduce this padding on mobile. Here we can reduce to about 10. Or 15. Okay, 15 to the left and right, but for the top and bottom we can increase to about 50. Like this. Okay, that's all. Okay, and we are done with the home page. And yeah, this shortcut, it is not rendering properly on this editing interface, and I think this is a sort of bug or glitch. I think I hope the Elementor team fix this problem. This is little irritating. Okay, now we are done with this episode. We are done with the home page, and for the following up pages, it will not take much time. We can just copy the layout sections from the home page and repeat it on other pages. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new, especially for those beginners. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.